Boston is a rich area for colleges and universities, and UMass Boston is fortunate to be a part of 3 different library resource sharing groups: the Boston Library Consortium, or BLC, the Fenway Library Consortium, and a group called McAfee. Being a part of these consortia means that people who are affiliated with member libraries are granted privileges to visit other libraries in a consortium, use those libraries' electronic subscription resources in the library, and borrow materials from their circulating collections. So essentially, this means that the resources available to you as a student or faculty member at UMass Boston are much more comprehensive even than what you can find at UMass Boston alone. Through these 3 consortia, you have access to nearly every academic library in the Boston area. And as a university student, you also have access to Boston Public Library, one of only 2 public research libraries in the country. You might find, for example, that a consortium member library is closer to where you live, and it gives you easier access to a place to study and conduct research. Or you might find that a consortium member library has access to a specialized subscription resource or specialized research collection that would assist you with your research. And occasionally, you might not have time to wait for a book to arrive via interlibrary loan. So a consortial membership allows you to visit a member library who has an item that you need immediately and check it out yourself and have that book that same day. There are lots of benefits to our consortial memberships, and we encourage all students, but especially all researchers, to become familiar with the consortial networks as yet another resource to use for your research. We have linked below to the different consortia so that you can see each of the member libraries and each of their policies for library access and borrowing. McAfee and Fenway Library Consortium libraries, they just simply require you to show your UMass Boston ID card to be granted access. But Boston Library Consortium libraries, however, they require a special BLC card, which you can apply for at the circulation desk on the 2nd floor of the library. And we have linked below to instructions for registering for the BLC card.